Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the home office deduction on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to gather the necessary document to go ahead and collect your home office expense, including rent, utilities, and furnitures. Now, once you have that, the next step is going to be to log into Turbotax. So go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account on the Turbotax website. And once you're signed in, you're going to select the tax year that you want to claim the home office deduction for. Next, you're going to select deductions. So go ahead and choose deductions, and then you're going to select home office as your deduction type. Next, you need to enter your home office expenses. So go ahead and fill in your home office expenses, including rent, utilities, and furnitures and stuff. After that, you can just calculate the home office deductions. So go ahead and calculate the home office deduction based on your expenses and the square footage of your home office. Once that calculation is done and everything is taken care of, you want to review your home office deduction claim one more time just to make sure that everything is accurate, and then you're going to submit that to the IRS and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the home office deduction on Turbotax. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next